Yeah, it's heavy. Well, here's my sack of Cascamite, which I bought, well, earlier this year, and I started using it, but it's dated last year anyway, and I would say it's not as good as my previous batch of Cascamite, like I said in the previous video. I contacted Polyvine. I did. I contacted Polyvine and basically said to them, your Cascamite is shit, what the hell's going on? And I'll probably end up using them type bond or something like that in the future. And anyway, I got an email back, so let's have a look. You might be able to see it on there. No, maybe not. I'll read it to you. Basically, it's not touchscreen. It says, good afternoon, thank you for your email. We had a change. It's really bad English. I thought my English was bad. It says, thank you for your email. We had to change one of the raw materials due to world shortage. Maybe it's flour, or maybe it's the bags the flour comes in. We now have been able to source the raw material, so it will be changing back to how it was later this year. Later this year? Well, that obviously doesn't make any sense. I imagine earlier this year. Maybe. I've heard a lot of negative stuff regarding Cascamite of late, in that one guy says it stains his oak red or something, which basically means it must have some alkaline in it. It must be of an alkaline nature, which is obviously reacting with the tannins in the oak. But so what she's basically saying here, we will be changing back, it should be all hokey dokey, what have you. Well, I'm going to contact them again and try and get them to send me a sample of their new batch when they have their new ingredients. Because I don't want to be buying 25 kilo sacks of Cascamite when, quite frankly, it isn't much use to me. Because I feel I've wasted a shitload of money. So, anyway, that's my little video. I'll keep you updated regarding Cascamite, and I will be sending her another message back to get this a little bit more, how to put it, enlighten me further what is going on and when it will be, more usable, quite frankly, because they need to do something, because I'm not the only one saying that there are problems with this particular glue. It's not what it used to be, and I've been using this stuff for decades. It was introduced to me by my father, who was a boat builder, and it's quite, it's a very, very practical glue to use in the boat building industry because it's waterproof. You can't really get much better than that, can you? Really? But equally, it needs to be able to stick two bits of wood together, and we don't want them to fall apart. So anyway, that's my little video or my little update on my Polyvine, and my gimbal's just gone floppy, a bit like me, because my batteries run out. Anyway, if you can press kind and give me a like and subscribe, and maybe click the little bell icon, because then you get a warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket. That'll be me uploading another video. And I know you'll be excited about that. Maybe next time a bit more interesting than Polyvine and Cascamite wood glues and stuff. Thank you for watching. And a bit wobbly, isn't it? Okay, I'll press the button now.